Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting aspects of seasonal decorating, transforming your entryway for fall. The entryway is the first impression of your home, and as we step into the cozy embrace of autumn, it's the perfect time to refresh this space with warm and inviting decor. Whether you're working with a grand foyer or a small nook, I've got plenty of creative ideas to make your entryway the epitome of fall charm. So, grab your favorite pumpkin spice latte, sit back, and let's get started on making your home's first impression a stunning one this season. Tip 1. Welcome Mat Magic. Let's start with something simple yet impactful, your welcome mat. As the first thing guests see when they arrive at your home, a seasonal welcome mat sets the tone for what's inside. This fall, consider switching out your usual mat for one that features autumn motifs like leaves, pumpkins, or even a witty fall-themed quote. Not only does it add a festive touch, but it's also practical for keeping those fall leaves and dirt from being tracked inside. Pairing your mat with a larger outdoor rug underneath can create a layered look that's both stylish and functional. Tip 2. Autumnal wreaths. No fall entryway is complete without a beautiful wreath hanging on the door. Wreaths are a classic way to welcome the season, and there are endless styles to choose from. For 2024, consider opting for a wreath made from natural materials like dried corn husks, wheat, or eucalyptus mixed with faux pumpkins and gourds. You could also go for a more minimalist approach with a simple wreath of magnolia leaves or even dried oranges and cinnamon sticks for a touch of rustic elegance. If you're feeling crafty, you can even make your own wreath that reflects your personal style and the overall aesthetic of your home. Tip 3. Layered lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating an inviting atmosphere, especially in the entryway. As the days grow shorter, you'll want to add layers of warm lighting to welcome guests into your home. Think about incorporating lanterns filled with battery-operated candles, string lights around door frames, or even a small lamp on an entryway table. For 2024, brass and matte black fixtures are trending, offering a modern yet timeless appeal. These can be paired with Edison-style bulbs for a soft, golden glow that feels both nostalgic and cozy. Lighting not only enhances the decor but also ensures your entryway feels warm and inviting, even on those chilly fall evenings. Tip 4. Decorative pumpkins and gourds. Pumpkins are synonymous with fall, and they're a must-have for any autumnal entryway. This year, consider using a mix of real and faux pumpkins to create a dynamic and long-lasting display. Arrange them in various sizes, shapes, and colors, think white, deep green, and muted orange, to add visual interest. You can place them on the steps leading up to your door, or cluster them in groups around a bench or entry table. For a unique touch, try painting pumpkins in metallics like gold or copper, or even adding patterns with stencils. Gourds, too, can add an organic, whimsical element to your fall decor. Mix them in with your pumpkins for a full, bountiful look that captures the essence of the harvest season. Tip 5. Seasonal florals and greenery. Incorporating florals and greenery is another way to bring the beauty of fall into your entryway. Think beyond traditional mums and consider using plants like ornamental kale, dusty miller, or even grasses like pampas for a more contemporary look. Arranged in rustic pots or baskets, these plants can frame your doorway beautifully. For a more luxurious feel, you could add a few potted olive trees or topiaries. Mixing in some faux stems, like berry branches or dried hydrangeas, with your fresh florals can also add depth and variety to your arrangements. And don't forget to swap out your summer planters for those filled with fall blooms to complete the look. Tip 6. Cozy textiles. One of the simplest ways to transition your entryway into fall is by introducing cozy textiles. Think of adding a plaid or buffalo check throw over a bench or hanging a textured blanket on a wall hook. You can also incorporate seasonal pillows on any seating, choosing warm tones and soft fabrics like wool, flannel, or velvet. Textiles not only add warmth and comfort but also help to visually soften the space, making it feel more inviting. For 2024, rich earth tones like burnt sienna, deep burgundy, and mossy green are on trend, providing a perfect palette to work with as you style your entryway for the season. If you're enjoying these fall entryway decorating ideas, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know which idea you're most excited to try this season. Your support means the world to me and helps me continue to create content that inspires you to make your home a beautiful and welcoming space. Tip 7. Art and signage. Adding a piece of art or a seasonal sign can be a great way to personalize your entryway and infuse it with fall vibes. For 2024, wooden signs with hand-lettered quotes or fall sayings are still popular, especially those with a vintage or farmhouse aesthetic. Consider phrases like "Hello Fall" or "Gather Here" to create a welcoming message for your guests. If you prefer a more artistic approach, consider hanging a piece of seasonal art, perhaps a painting of an autumn landscape or a print featuring fall foliage. These touches help to tie the entire space together, making it feel cohesive and thoughtfully curated. Tip 8. Decorative trays and vignettes. Entryway tables or consoles are the perfect place to create seasonal vignettes that capture the spirit of fall. Start with a decorative tray or basket to corral smaller items, like candles, mini pumpkins, and a vase of fall flowers. You can also add in a few personal touches, like a favorite book or a framed family photo. For added height, consider incorporating a tall vase with branches or a lantern. Layering items of varying heights and textures will create a visually interesting and dynamic display that draws the eye and adds warmth to your entryway. Tip 9. Mirrors and reflective surfaces. Mirrors are an excellent addition to any entryway, especially during the fall when natural light can be limited. A well-placed mirror can reflect light and make your space feel brighter and more open. For a fall twist, look for mirrors with rustic or antique frames that complement the season's warm, earthy tones. If you have a console table, placing a mirror above it can anchor the space and provide a stylish focal point. Additionally, reflective surfaces like glass or metallic trays can add a touch of elegance and sparkle, balancing the cozy textures with a bit of shine. Tip 10. Final touches. Finally, don't forget the small details that make a big impact. Consider placing a small bowl of seasonal potpourri or a dish of candy corn on your entryway table for a touch of nostalgia. Adding a few fall-scented candles, think cinnamon, apple cider, or pumpkin spice, can also enhance the sensory experience as guests walk through your door. These final touches are the cherry on top, completing your fall entryway with a sense of warmth and welcome that will make anyone who enters feel right at home. As we wrap up today's journey through fall entryway decorating ideas for 2024, I hope you're feeling inspired to give your own entryway a seasonal makeover. Remember, it's all about creating a space that feels welcoming and reflects the beauty of autumn. Whether you're drawn to rustic, modern, or traditional styles, there's a fall decor idea here for everyone. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more seasonal decorating inspiration, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment sharing your favorite tip. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see how you decorate your entryway this fall.